Hi, my name is Connie Mary Forrest, and today I'm going to introduce you to my best friend. Come here, Midnight. It's okay. Oh, hey, baby. This is Midnight. He's the cat I adopted. He is my total baby. I really love my Midnight. Um, he is a very affectionate, loving cat. Oh, he's a rat mamas. Oh, you're so content, aren't you, baby? This little guy is such a mama's boy. Likes to sleep with his mommy. Put him up further so you can see him. Oh! Well, apparently Midnight has a mind of his own. So, yeah. He is the very first cat I've had in this apartment since I got on disability, basically. And he makes his mommy totally content. Even though sometimes he gets on my nerves because he's a little shithead. You get the point.